Okay, so we're going to install some fender well protectors, I guess is what you would call these things. And they go right here on 2018 and 2019 Can-Am Maverick trails. And if you see this spot right here, we had a piece of shielding over that spot, but that spot's a bad spot right there for sticks and branches and everything else to fly up in there, and that's your footwell on the inside for the passenger, and it can go up through there and cause some damage. So we're going to install something to protect ourselves. Stay tuned. Okay, that bolt is now removed.
Yep, it's those two. Wow, that's kind of... Oh, that's where the spring load comes in. That's where you got to really mash it in when you tighten him down.
Yeah. You got to drill out the rib nut.
Yep. Or the rib bits and put in a rib nut. And sometimes they'll spin on you, and that makes it real fun. But you just hold the drill at an angle and they'll come. And now I got to get me a punch and knock them out. See that? Hold it to an angle and it'll come out every time.
Yeah. Use a punch.
Those are gone. Now where'd that other...
Easier to use two drill bits, smaller one and then the larger one.
Step it up.
Step it up.
And have a drill.
Now we're drilling into the plastic skid plate only. As you can see up there that he did.
That gave me some room.
Okay, this is what he made to put these nut zerks on.
Bring me that light too when you come. If you would. Oops, got backwards.
Oh.
That keeps it from going up in the hole. Otherwise, you can't get it in the hole. It's got to go up into the hole that deep, and then all of this crushes and comes down on top of it. And that's what keeps it in there.
Huh.
Just to give you an example, you can see how far those threads darted down in there.
Yep.
Now when I get this installed, I'll let you look at it.
Henry, go get the cat.
Oh shit. And the whole time you want to, with this hand, you want to push up as you're turning it. That makes it seat tight, you know. feel him crushing like he's supposed to. Could you hold that wrench by any chance? You can let go now. You can let go now.
Take it off. Okay. Gotcha.
Now look under there how close them threads are to that screw. Can you see it?
Yep.
To the end.
I think so.
Right out to the end now.
You gotta do that for both sides there too. So we'll get that going.
Could you think it could just hold that wrench? All you gotta do is just hold it. It don't have to do nothing but just hold that bolt.
Okay.
Okay, you can let go. Stop it, Henry. Do not want you. Their screws aren't long enough for one.
What it seems like.
What it seems like. Just keep your foot there. Keep your foot there, if you can.
I'm starting to get a cramp.
Where's that 10mm?
Okay, we got it on, but as you can see, we had to loosen up the rock slider, but now the rock slider's not going to go back on, so we're going to have to take this piece right here and
Put a dent in it.
put a big dent in it and hammer it in a little bit to where we can get some clearance. So we'll do that right now. Okay, we managed to get the bolts in there and get that going and get it started, and then it sucked it in after we pounded on it a couple of times, but it's there.
Like Pringle.
Yep. So those of you with rock sliders, it is doable.
Just get a big hammer.
It protects this whole area right here. Protects that and all of this and down here and that. So if anything flies up, it's going to hit all of this area here and be good to go.
Somehow.
You might be able to get up there. Me pushing on it, but Well, as you can see on this side, the Nerf, or the rock slider, has a lot more room. Well, there's the final look. You got your protection that you need. It's on the passenger side. And then coming around here.
We need to go get the stoners and wipe them off.
And there's the driver's side. It has a little bit more coverage over there on that side. And then it wraps around under there. And that's that.